Alright, let's be real. Who here actually enjoys vacuuming? Anyone? Don't answer that. I didn't think so. But what if I told you there's a vacuum that might just change your mind? Not like those fancy robot vacs that leave you with more questions than answers. I'm talking about the Eureka Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, lightweight stick vacuum rechargeable for hardwood, pet hair, black. ReactiClean for 110, say that 5 times fast. Now before you click away, hear me out. I was super skeptical, but this thing surprised me. It's different and in a really good way. First off, it's lightweight, like seriously lightweight. When I first unboxed it, I was like, is this thing even gonna work? Because it looks like it'll blend right into a Marie Kondo montage. But then I plugged it in, charged it up, and got to work. And let me tell you, this thing packs a punch. It's got strong suction power, which was a huge surprise for something this light. It's not some wimpy suction that sucks kind of hard. It's got a powerful motor that lines make you question if you really need that big bulky vacuum cleaner you're lugging around. Plus, it's cordless. No more fighting with a long cord or tripping over it like it's some kind of weird indoor limbo game. You got a full 22 minutes of power with this thing and it charges quickly, so you'll always have a clean home ready to go. It's also really versatile. Hardwood floors, carpeted rooms, pet hair, you name it, this thing handles it like a champ. And it's not just for floors either. With the detachable stick, you can clean just about anything. I even found myself using it to clean out my car, which was a game changer when it came to those pesky dog hairs. Now, another thing that really impressed me is how quiet it is. I mean, you can literally vacuum while watching a movie and not miss a beat. And yes, that includes your neighbors too. No more racing home to beat the vacuum cleaner to the punch. Let's not forget about the price. This thing is a steal for the quality you're getting. You won't break the bank with this one, which means more money for you to buy yourself some nice new shoes. And trust me, you'll want to show these babies off. So would I recommend it? Hell yeah, I would. In fact, this has become my go-to vacuum cleaner for just about everything. It's lightweight, powerful, versatile, quiet, and affordable. What more could you ask for? It's like finding the perfect pair of jeans, comfortable, fits well, and makes your life easier. Plus, you'll never have to worry about spilling dirt on the floor again. Just don't blame me when you find yourself vacuuming every day. It's kind of like that one shirt that makes you look so good you just end up wearing it all the time. And hey, that's not my fault. It's Eureka's. Check it out at the link in the description or first comment. And thank you for watching. Keep on keeping on, and I'll see you later. Bye.